Hi, I'm Mr. Cooper.
Miss Burnham.
And we're going to do lab 311, the density of a gas. Okay, you're going to need the volume of the entire bottle of water. So you're going to fill it up using a sink and the water from the tap. You could go a little bit faster if you wanted, or slower. Probably don't turn it off. Okay, it's all the way up to the top. One thing that you might want to do, because if you want to be really sure, you can stick this back, or hurt yourself. You can stick this back in there. Some water will come out, because that's taking up space. But that is the volume of the water we started with. So we're going to pour this into our graduated cylinder. It's exciting. Okay, going to get the new volume, record that, and you will use that later in your calculations. First thing we need to do is get the mass of everything, including the Alka-Seltzer tablet, broken in half, and the 5 cc's of water in the test tube, and we're going to use that to hold.
Alright, so the way we're going to set this lab up is we need a large test tube supported with 2 large test tube clamps, kind of at an angle. We need a tub full of, or about half full of water, a completely full gas collection bottle held in place with a rubber band, and a stopper in there, and then we'll need a gas delivery tubing apparatus. There's only one hole in the top of this one. Alright, so in our large test tube we have about 5 cc's of cold water. So we're going to find the mass of our whole system, which includes our Alka-Seltzer tablet that's broken so it fits in the test tube. We need something to hold the test tube upright on the balance. So put it in a beaker. I have the Alka-Seltzer on a piece of paper, just so I don't contaminate the balance or lose any little pieces. Put that all on the balance and find the mass.
Okay, the next thing you want to do is actually produce the gas. So we're going to need to collect the gas. You want to thread this rubber tubing into the filled up water bottle. You want it as close to the top as possible. So now that's ready to go. Have it here when you and your partner are going to get this all going. Okay, so this is when you definitely need to work with your partner, because you're going to need to get the Alka-Seltzer into the test tube and it closed very quickly.
Ready?
I'm ready as I'll ever be.
Oh no!
Pretty good. Obviously you want to make your observations. Okay, now that you have collected all of the gas, you might still have a few more bubbles, but we've collected as much gas as we really need to. You are going to need to get the mass of the test tube and everything you massed originally. So you're going to take that off. Ms. Byrne is not forgetting our little post-it that had the Alka-Seltzer on in the beginning, and we'll have our new mass. Record that. Now we're going to find the volume of the gas that we collected. I will hold this. Ms. Byrne is going to take the tube out. You're going to need to get the rubber stopper into the bottle so you don't lose any of that water, and then you can take it out. Put it up there.
So now we're just going to find the volume of water left in our bottle with a graduated cylinder. And I'll record that, and we're done.